Welcome back to Thunderclap Weather, and today is August the 12th, 2024, and we're going to be giving you guys the forecast as well as the storms and tropical storms developing in the Gulf. And so we do have a new tropical storm, 5, and that's the name of it, is 5. So we'll be bringing that to you towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. And here we are looking at the Pacific, and it is going to move south and to the east as it develops, and also some scattered storms along the panhandle of Florida and this storm in Mexico that's kind of stalling on Mexico and not really moving. So we do have the storm that was pushing through Oklahoma yesterday and caused a lot of flooding and is now moving into Arkansas and Louisiana. And here we have a lot of clouds over the U.S. today, so probably a pretty overcast day. And here's the temperature swings for today. So we are looking as low as 50 in the Dakotas and as high as the hundreds in Southern California. So pretty across the board temperatures. And so we are getting a little bit of a cool down in the central east of the U.S. as well as the southeast is in a little bit of a heat wave. And the west coast is a little bit of a cool down. So here we have the maximum temperatures up to 107 in Southern California and into the hundreds, over 103 in Texas, and in the 90s in Alabama, as well as 76 up in Maine. And the lows for today will be all the way down to 50 in Arizona, as well as in the low 60s to upper 80s in the southeast. And then we also are going as low as 58 in Maine. So definitely need your jacket up north and shorts down south. So, and as far as the Dakotas and the 58s, and then we also have some red flag warnings into Nevada and the northern west coast, and in Oklahoma where that storm was moving through. We have a lot of heat advisories, so that should be moving into Arkansas and to the east as the storm pushes through. Also heat advisories in South Texas, as well as the east coast of Georgia and Florida. Gonna be a hot one today. Stay hydrated. And then we also have some flood watches and warnings in North Carolina, so definitely watch out for flooded roadways. And then here's Tropical Storm 5 that is developing, and it is turning into a tropical storm, and so but it's very far out. But with the hot waters of the Gulf, I do think it'll develop into a hurricane and probably go one of these 4 ways up through Louisiana, or cut through the east coast up through Georgia, or just go straight up through to Maine, or it could cut all the way through and into the panhandle of Florida. So I do think it'll be one of these 4, but it is just my opinion, and we are a long way out from that. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you next time.